Hi, today I want to introduce the simplest carrier ever that's very versatile and fits in every pocket. Today I want to introduce the African baby wrap. The African baby wrap is actually not made exclusively for carrying a baby. It can be used for everything. You can use it as a wrapped skirt, as a dress, as a blanket if you do picnics, or as a cover for breastfeeding. If you feel cold, you can put it around your shoulders. You can use it just for everything. Yes, the baby wrap, the African one, this is actually the origin of our soft structured carriers. They are used for such a long time over there to carry the babies, and I do not know why they got not popular in the West, also for baby wearing, because it's really easy to use, it's safe if you know how to do it, and so simple. I have different African baby wraps. These are my newest additions to my collection. They are from Maame's Wraps. She's located in Ghana, and she makes sure that all these wraps are really made in Africa and not, for example, in China or India. As you can see, it's just a rectangle piece of normal fabric, but of course with African patterns. And here's the logo. And now I want to show you how to use it. I have my baby doll. Usually if Westerners are using this for baby carrying, they do it with older children who can already control their upper torso. But in Africa they use it from newborn age on. Some may ask if you as a foreign white person can use this carrying style, and usually the answer is yes. So people in Africa, they really appreciate if you support the culture and if you know how to do it right and respect their culture. So you shouldn't say, as a white person, maybe you are selling now these kind of wraps in a Western style pattern and saying that this is your original wrap and wrapping style. That's a no-go. But as long as you say, yes, I know it's from Africa, I know that those people there are using it, but I love using it too because it's so comfortable and easy to do, and it's just fitting me, then that's fine. Okay, you have this one as a middle marker. It's just helping you to know where it goes, and it goes on your back. Like this, and then you put it between your legs to keep it in place. It's not right in the middle. And then you have your baby, and you will see now why Westerners usually like to use this method when the baby already has some control, because now you're getting your baby on your back. You will never let your baby sit alone on your back. Bend a little bit forward so the baby is resting on your bump and will not fall over, and hold your baby all the time with one arm. like this, and the legs of your baby are going over your hip bones. And now, maybe I'm better with the left hand, so I will turn around. Now you're getting the fabric, holding your baby and getting it up. If your baby's older and likes to have the arms out, you will just go until here, but of course you can also have the arms in. And now you can already hold your baby. That's a little bit like the Ombo style in Japan. So you have your baby fixed because the arms are out. And now it's so easy. It's not a style where you have to tie anything. You will just get the fabric, cross it in front of your chest, pull it tight, cross it once, and then you put it here under this, and then it's fixed and will not move anywhere. Now you're getting the rest of the fabric. Put it a little bit under the bump of your baby. You often see that the legs are inside the fabric, but often they can also move a little bit. If your baby's older, the legs are out like this. And here again, you will just put it here and then put the rest of the fabric inside here. It's like a little bit of like small pockets. And this will not open up. And your baby is safe on your back. You have the arms free to move, nothing on your shoulders. It's a so-called torso carry because the baby wrap is only around your torso. For older babies, they will sit here a little bit deeper, maybe on your bum. Yeah, and why is this not opening up? I can show you. Maybe when you put a towel around you after showering, you put it here like this, and this can open up and getting loose easily. This is not safe, but as soon as you put it here inside this bit of fabric, there will be pressure on it by itself, and it will keep everything in place. I have learned this technique from Maame's wraps and also another seller of these kind of baby wraps, Safdika, and I'm happy to share this technique with you if you want to try it. Now let's see how to get your baby out. You will open the bottom part, hold your baby with one hand, then you can open the upper part, hold this fabric and just move your baby around. And that's it. Very easy. If you have any questions regarding this carrying technique, just write a comment or write a mail. And if you want to learn more about baby wearing and located in Japan, hit me up. And if you're not in Japan, I have some online courses where you can learn everything about safe baby wearing.